So guys, so now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's before we go ahead to predict what Swiss franc JPY will be giving us for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, first thing, guys, you need to know what a trend is. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is. And as you can see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend. This is our overall movement. Our overall movement on Swiss franc JPY is a movement to the upside. So we are very much trending to the upside. That is our overall movement. Now, when you take a look at the current, after the overall movement, we have the current trend. So basically, there are three ways you can have the trend. We have it in the main trend perspective, and we also have it on the current trend. So since we want to predict what market to be doing for the day, right, we are going to look at it from the current trend. Now, what is the current trend saying? The current trend is literally ranging. So now take a look at this movement on the current trend. Market was able to rally onto this resistance. Guess what market did? It rejected and dropped to tap our support. Market also came to our support level, rejected and came back to tap our resistance, right? Market also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Once it got to the support level, it rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. Market also got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Right now, market is rejected from the support and it is pushing up. So we would expect that push up to continue till market is able to fully tap our resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here, guys. So take a look at this movement right here. This is our high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high right here, and this is the higher low. So for today, right, we will be expecting market to push up to form a new higher high right here. So a push up that will form a new higher high for the day is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.